Welcome to my channel Kaji. Today I'm gonna unbox V8 Dyson cordless vacuum.
Welcome to my channel Kazi Ontario or Kazi Space E.
This This is the main part, motor inside. What else here? This called mountain holder. These two, the stick. Nice color though. Clean the this one, you can use whichever you need, like in the middle of the couch you can use this one. For a small place or on the wall you can use this one, and big one of course for the floor. This is the roller. To open the roller you can use a screwdriver here. When you clean this part, these brushes, and then you have to clean this part to put it back like this, and screw little bit here. This is the stick, or this small one, which one you need, you just put it inside. You see the red thing, and this is, here is a mark. Just it goes like this. And when you take it off, just press this one and pull it out. When you clean the filter, just take it out. This is the filter. You can clean, you can wash and put it back. The arrow side is this side, and this way. Just it's done. This is another filter. You see white mark, white, and this dark. If you turn it this way to the black, then it will open. This is the black side. I open. This is the filter. You can clean it. You can wash it. So when your bin will be full, then just, you see the red thing, you pull it up and then it will open up automatically. Look. And when it's done, just done, and then bottom, just put it back. This part attached with the motor, main part, like this, or this one goes to the main motor, main part, like this. You see the mark? Just push it. It's a small one. You can use this part. Small brush here too. You can use this part like this, or you can use black big brush. Just push it, and so now you can use this way too. This is the button. You have to press and go. Okay, my friend, I have to charge the battery at least 5 hours. Anyway, I can show you something else right now. You see this part? So this is the low, high and low. Last part. This is the hole. It goes, power cord goes here, and you have to power, you have to charge. This is the mountain piece. So when you mount, you can put like this, both of them this side. It goes so easily like this. When you take it off, put the red, take it out this way. There is a hole in the bottom right there, you can see. So put the cord through that, and this goes here. You have to push a little bit harder, this one, and then this motor goes inside. This is the button, you can see. This is the hole. This side goes like this. You see, pointed to the cord. Now you can hang on it on the wall. On the wall like this. Wire goes from here like this. What is inside? I'll show you. Inside, this is goes to the wall, the screw. Now the battery is charging. You can see one light turning off and on. When it will be done, then 3 lights will be there next to these. When you will lose the charge battery, then it will go 2, 1 like this. So by the light you can tell how much charge you have left. Thank you for watching KGE.